a resolution recommending and congratulating Miss Ellen Joy Sangrines for ranking 9th in the April 2023 Midwifery Licensure Exam. Whereas Ellen Joy Sangrines, a graduate of Northern Iloilo State University, Estancia Campus, and a resident of San Dionisio, Iloilo, was named as one of the top notchers of the April 2023 Midwifery Licensure Exam, whereas she received a rating of 88.70% and eventually ranked number 9 among 2,558 examinees who took the examination last April 13 to 14 Professional Regulation Commission PRC Board Exam for Midwifery. Whereas she is a living testament that through faith, grit, and determination we can achieve our dreams and aspirations, truly an inspiration to our youth to always strive for excellence. Whereas she has brought pride and honor to the 5th District of the province of Iloilo in general. In view of the foregoing, this representation seeks to adopt a resolution expressing our warmest congratulations to Ellen Joy Sangrines for her remarkable achievement and for bringing honor and recognition to the province of Iloilo.
Miss Ellen Joy Sangrines for ranking 9th in the April 2023 Midwifery Licensure Exam.
So moved. Any second motion? Unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.